Hey friends, so now we are moving forward in our next course, which is AI-300. Yes, this is one of the recently launched course from Microsoft, and this is basically combining two things, mlops and genaiops. Basically, if you are already familiar with machine learning or the basics of machine learning concepts, and if you're already familiar with generative AI, that how to build generative AI applications and agents, then this course is perfect for you. Now, most of the time, part of this particular course is actually focusing on a role of a data scientist, but it's also focusing on operational one. Basically, this is going to be a combination of machine learning plus DevOps plus generative AI and AI engineering kind of roles as well. Who's going to use this thing? Well, everyone who actually wants to focus on machine learning and AI agent automations. In this particular one, you're going to see that how you're actually going to operationalize your machine learning workloads. Basically, starting from data to choosing your algorithms, doing a model training, and then evaluating a model for a specific purpose is all what you're going to do with operationalizing means you're going to do automation with this. In simple words, if you have heard about DevOps and if you have know that what exactly is CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery, then this is going to be a CI/CD for machine learning and generative AI operations. And that's exactly what we are going to see in AI 300 course. For your kind of information, this is a very new course. Even in my case, I have cleared this particular course just last month, which means that it's a very, very new thing. There are so many labs associated with this. If I be specific, there are total 12 modules of this particular course, and it's a 4 days course, which means that in this particular course, we are going to learn things step by step. And for each module, we have a lab. For 12 modules, we have 12 labs. And each of these labs, I'm going to perform practically like I do in all my other courses. If you're interested in machine learning and generative AI, then this is a course which is maybe going to help you to save you a lot of time when you're going to do everything operationalizing with automation. And how exactly we're going to do this thing? Well, you will be needing so many tools. If you want to perform labs of this particular class, first of all, you will need Azure subscription. Then you will also need GitHub account because we are going to use a lot many times GitHub Actions and the GitHub repositories. You will also need to learn some of the new tools, which are like maybe Azure Developer CLI, Bicep templates, and maybe some part of Visual Studio Code customizations. Now, if you're not familiar with these kind of things, don't worry about that. I'll take care of this. We will be using Azure Machine Learning Studio. We will be using Microsoft Foundry. We will be developing agents as well as we will be developing models and will deploy them as well. Now, whole of these things in this particular course is actually a mixture of multiple things. That's the reason this is one of the complex course of the recent time. Yes, if you know, there are so many levels of courses which are available in Microsoft. Like most of the time, 900 courses are fundamental courses. We have associate level courses which are basically level 100 courses like AI 102, 103 kind of courses. Same way, we have this course, which is AI 300, which is basically assuming that you already know the basics of GitHub, machine learning, generative AI. So basically, you already know all about language models and large language models and Microsoft Foundry kind of basic things. Still, if you are not familiar with these kind of things, I strongly advise you to go through my other courses on our website, which is skilltech.club. You will find fundamentals of Azure, you will find fundamentals of even AI, and you will also find fundamentals of GitHub and other things inside that. Now, when we are dealing with this particular course, it's an advanced level course, so make sure you already have the basic prerequisites with you. And even though you have, this is a little tough to understand this particular course, and that's why I will try my best to simplify as much as possible. This course is focusing on official AI 300 track. Well, what I mean by this, let me show you that right now. As you can see right now, I'm on the official AI 300 course page on Microsoft Learn website. And when you check here, this is a course which is mentioned here that it's focusing on the role of AI engineer and data scientist. As I said, it's basically a combination of two things, mlops, genaiops. Now, mlops is obviously going to be dealt by data scientists, even though it's not an official part of data scientists, but most organizations now want data scientists to take care of mlops. And same way, AI engineers who are basically focusing on generative AI agents and application development are going to focus on the GenAI ops automation. Now, So the subject which is associated with this is generative AI and machine learning. It's a 4 days course, and remaining 2 days of the course will be focusing on genaiops. If I focus on this particular course, you can scroll down on this official page. I request you to go through this particular link, and at the time of this recording, whatever latest content available on this particular one is what we are checking right now. You can see right now the course syllabus is basically having a clear division of two parts: mlops, genaiops, as I said. In the first 2 days of the class, of 50% of the course, we will be focusing on mlops. And we have 6 labs which are part of this particular one. Same way, we have another 6 labs which are part of the second part, which is genaiops. Weightage wise, it's having 50-50% weightage. So if you're planning for this certification exam, you need to be good in both of this, and you need to understand all the concepts as well as you need to perform all the labs. I strongly recommend you to go through my videos of explanation like this one, in which I explain the concept, as well as I also request you to go through my lab videos also. Recently, these labs are actually available on many platforms, but the cost of these labs are very expensive because machine learning and generative AI requires a lot of models to be used with that. These labs are expensive, and that's the reason, as a part of this particular course, I'm also going to perform labs and I'm going to record those lab videos so that people who are not able to afford the lab purchase, they should at least understand every step when I do the labs, and they can understand from that. Above all, when you're done with all these labs and conceptual understanding, if you have a doubts, if you have a questions related to your career, related to the certification, or maybe related to any of the topics which I'm explaining in this class, then I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Remember, I'm just a message away. You can comment on my YouTube videos. You can go to my website, which is skilltech.club, and there is a WhatsApp number available on that. You can connect with me on that. Or if any of you wants to connect with me on LinkedIn, well, pleasure will be mine. As of now, in this video, I'm not telling you much more things. Let's get started with the first module, which is going to start with MLOps, and that's what we're going to do next. Thank you.